Hello and welcome to the never-ending RX8 build. Got the Holley high-rise set in. It needs to go 2 inches further back, so need to cut out this tub, and then, time allowing, we're gonna cut the hood and wrap everything up and hopefully get it running today. So, here we go. As of right now, this is where the intake sits, with it all cut and actually in the proper orientation for the bolt holes. It's a little far back, but we'll make it work, So, at this point, there's enough room for the map sensor and all that good stuff back there. Colin's gonna cut out a template for the hood. Doing great work, buddy. Thanks. And then we're gonna try and run all the wires today, and then, time allowing, once again, hopefully mock up a hood.
Yeah, it looks about accurate.
I decided, instead of waiting to post a start video, I would do little stuff on my own time, so I did that. I got the 90. Intake is actually all set, throttle body's all set. Just have to clean up around the edges because it is a bit tight right now. But all the wires and everything are all set up. Fuel system is all set up. Everything is connected. So now all that's left is to just fire it up. So now, I'm just gonna go in here and see if I can swap over the cam quickly. These are 42 pounds, right? 42 pound injectors.
Fuel pressure 58.
Yep. Engine displacement, average.
That's good.
Fuel pressure is 57. And the car runs just like that. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Anyway, I'm gonna start it one more time and actually let you guys hear how it sounds. that's all I had. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.